There's a reason we feel so drawn to nature. It's an intrinsic part of who we are, a connection that goes back to our very origins. Nature has a way of calming our minds and soothing our souls, offering a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Bringing elements of nature indoors can transform a house into a true haven. Imagine the warmth of wooden furniture, the freshness of indoor plants, and the serenity of earthy tones. This is the magic of blending nature and modern living. By incorporating natural elements into contemporary design, we create spaces that are both stylish and serene. Natural light is essential for any space that aims to connect with nature. Large windows are key. They frame the views of the outdoors like living artwork. Imagine waking up to the soft glow of dawn. Picture sunlight streaming into your living room, dancing across the floor. This is the power of natural illumination. It uplifts our spirits and connects us to the rhythm of the day. It's about embracing the beauty of changing light and allowing it to fill your home. When selecting colors for a nature-inspired space, think of the earth. Earthy tones like warm browns, muted greens, and soft grays create a sense of calm. These hues provide a grounding backdrop, allowing natural materials and textures to shine. Consider incorporating organic touches through textiles and decor. Think linen curtains, woven baskets, or a hand-thrown ceramic vase. These elements add a sense of history and craftsmanship, reflecting the beauty of the natural world. Natural materials are the foundation of a nature-inspired home. Wood brings warmth and character, whether it's reclaimed beams on the ceiling or a beautifully crafted dining table. Stone adds a sense of permanence and sophistication. Consider a stone fireplace or a feature wall with stacked stone. Woven fibers like rattan, jute, and seagrass add texture and visual interest. Think woven rugs, pendant lights, or even a statement chair. These materials connect us to ancient crafts and celebrate the beauty of imperfection. Section 5. Greenery within. Incorporating indoor plants and living walls. Indoor plants are essential for any nature-inspired space. They not only add a touch of nature, but also create a serene and calming environment. They purify the air, reduce stress, and bring life into our homes. Studies have shown that being around plants can improve concentration and productivity. Choose a variety of plants with different shapes, sizes, and textures. This diversity not only adds visual interest, but also ensures that you have plants suited to different light conditions. Place them in beautiful pots that complement your design. The right pot can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your plants and tie the room together. For a dramatic statement, consider a living wall. These vertical gardens are not only visually striking, but also maximize space, making them perfect for smaller homes or apartments. This vertical garden adds a wow factor while enhancing air quality. The variety of plants used can create a dynamic and ever-changing piece of living art. Imagine a wall covered in lush ferns, trailing vines, and delicate flowers. This can be a focal point in any room, drawing the eye and creating a sense of tranquility. It's a stunning way to bring the outdoors in. Whether you choose a few potted plants or an entire living wall, incorporating greenery into your home can transform your space into a vibrant, healthy, and inviting sanctuary. Section 6. Furnishing for tranquility, neutral tones, and natural accents. When selecting furniture, opt for neutral tones that blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Think comfortable sofas in shades of cream, beige, or gray. Choose pieces made from natural materials like wood, linen, or leather. Add pops of color and pattern with throw pillows, blankets, and artwork. Incorporate green and floral patterns to echo the natural world. Choose pieces that spark joy and reflect your personal style. Section 7. A sanctuary of calm. Creating a nature-inspired bathroom oasis. Imagine a bathroom that feels like a spa retreat. Natural light streams in through a large window, illuminating the space. A freestanding bathtub sits beside the window, inviting you to unwind. Choose natural materials like stone, wood, and bamboo. Incorporate plants that thrive in humid environments like ferns and orchids. Add soft textiles like plush towels and a cozy bathrobe. This is a space designed for relaxation and rejuvenation. Section 8. Connecting with the seasons. Adapting your space throughout the year. One of the joys of connecting with nature is embracing the changing seasons. In the spring, bring in fresh flowers and leafy branches. During the summer, open the windows wide and let the breeze flow through. As autumn arrives, incorporate warm colors like rust and gold through textiles and decorative objects. In the winter, create a cozy atmosphere with candles, blankets, and a crackling fire. Section 9. A home that breathes. Finding peace and well-being in nature's embrace. Creating a home that blends nature and modern living is about more than just aesthetics. It's about integrating the calming presence of nature into our daily lives. The gentle rustle of leaves, the earthy scent of wood, and the soft glow of natural light can transform our living spaces into serene retreats. It's about fostering a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. When we surround ourselves with natural elements, we create an environment that encourages mindfulness and inner peace. This connection to nature can help reduce stress and improve our overall well-being. It's about creating a space that nourishes our souls and inspires a sense of wonder. A home filled with natural beauty can spark creativity and joy, making everyday moments feel special. The textures, colors, and shapes found in nature can bring a sense of harmony and balance to our interiors. When we invite nature into our homes, we invite tranquility, balance, and a renewed sense of well-being. Large windows that frame garden views, indoor plants that cast playful shadows, and natural materials that feel good to the touch all contribute to a peaceful atmosphere. We create a sanctuary where we can truly breathe, relax, and reconnect with what matters most. In these spaces, we find the freedom to unwind and the inspiration to live more mindfully. By embracing nature in our homes, we cultivate a lifestyle that values simplicity, beauty, and well-being. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more interior design tips.